15x on...
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Now in USA, it is like just simply for business. You know, they like earn like simply on tips where there's some kind of a customer service going on, right? Which again is pretty ugly. But yeah, that's the business now in USA, like in restaurants, you know, like it is very good. It's not like you don't have to do it, but you'll be a very bad person for some crazy time. I think the numbers were like, if you won't tip 50% of your food to the... Oh, holy stand, guys, crazy time right there with a 4x on it. Wow. There we go, everybody. We talk about tips, and we get a tip. Amazing. There we go, everybody. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Let's do this, everybody. 4x, show the doubles. How many doubles? Show the doubles. Not too much. All right, but there's a 4x. There's a 4x, everybody. We're going to be fighting for a 400x, everybody. But now the 4x on everything. Look at that, look at that. Explosion. Boom. Oh. Beautiful, beautiful, everybody. Nice, 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 nice. All right, then green, blue, yellow, everybody. Which one are you going to take? Which color? If you don't see, left is green, middle is blue, right is yellow. Hey, hey. All right, penguin time, everybody. You got a ray with the penguins. You got a ray with the penguins. Penguins. 400x, everybody. Best of luck to all of you. Penguins. Hey, hey.
This is the amount of money issued, 256,393 euros.
Hello, flopper.
Topslot. And overall, that's the last missing piece actually for the session. All the other segments we've seen. But remember, it's not about all of the segments to apply, it's about a winning segments for the particular rounds. Come on. Oh! Woo! Ladies and gents, and crazy time once again with the 3 times tops. And that's how we made a record previous time. So, can you repeat that? Yoo-hoo! Hello and welcome, darlings. Good to see you. As at this moment, welcome to the studio. Not even the studio, but a magical world of the crazy time. As Crazy Time's bonus round takes place. First of all, we got to increase the fun, as why not, right? We all like to see the higher wins, higher multis. So let's increase them 3 times. What do you say? So every single multiplier is increased for 3 times, thanks to the top set. And right now, you got to choose. In between, color green, blue, or yellow. For each flopper, it is times 4 accordingly to receive the victory. Also, don't forget auto pick as well. There is a triple even included. Do you see that? So max multi 600x. Bring it on.
This is the amount of money issued for 103,394 euros.
60x, 300x, 45x. Enjoy.
Pretty elusive today. Let's put it that way. All right. And that could be an understatement as well, but let's check it out. We have a crazy time with a 2x on the top slot. And remind you guys, 50x is the biggest multiplier on the top slot we can see. So let's go. Which country are you, brother? Lynn, I am from Latvia. Yeah, Latvia. Do you know where Latvia is, Lynn? Hey, we're going to find that out after this crazy time bonus game, guys. And this crazy time bonus game is going to be slightly more crazy than the regular one because of the 2x top slot. So let's go check it out. And yeah, we finally caught it. And this time with a little additional juice added to it, I guess. So yeah, let's get those multipliers real quick. All right, multipliers are on here. And double it up right off the bat as well. All right. That's always lovely to see that, like, puts our potential a bit higher. All right. Puts the bar higher too. But now, okay, everything is doubled up. Now you have to make your decision. Which one you want to take, by the way? Yellow, blue, green, I heard the green is for Thanasi, Santa, and Tkumpo. Alright, the biggest multiplier on the wheel at the moment is 200x. So let's go and get it. Good luck. Alright, 40 for green, 50 for blue, and the little sum double for the yellow. Let's go. Alrighty then, let's see what the yellow can bring us now. Biggest multiplier we have is a 400x. Will be cool for yellow, so best of luck everybody.
This is the amount of money issued for 121,650 euros.
$25 all yours, and JJ Ari, welcome to Crazy Time. Then maybe, like, if that is the case, why torture yourself, man? You can surely take a little break as well, so yeah. It's all up to you. Maya, welcome to Crazy Time. What you talk about, Maya? Huh? Yeah, Kiwis, my doors are always open for you, man, always. You can surely do that. 3x on Pachinko. Alright, Pachinko has been really, really elusive today as well. With the 3x, we can make a difference. And we will. Alright, it's going to be Pachinko, everybody. With the 3x top slot applied to it. Let's go. Alright, 3x. Not the biggest multiplier on top slot we can get, but still, with a bonus game, can make a difference. Alright. Coins, no need. Multipliers, we need those. Right. 6, 30, 25, 100. Alright. 3x everything. There we go, there we go. We have a 300x right there. 75 as well. So let's go get some juice up in here. So which little piggy went straight to the bank, everybody? Survey says, hey, you got it. No, let's do this. Yeah, let's go. Good luck, everybody. All right, what's it going to be? Go for the 300, man.
This is the amount of money issued 1,274,581 euros.
Hey, gotta love that. All right, 5,928 winners. Take my money, double less than bears. Top 3 winners. Betting time. See, even a 3x top slot can make a huge difference, everybody. 300 on the board, ladies and gentlemen. How about that? How about that? Enjoy your wins, everybody. That was lovely. Beautiful. Let's go.
$15x on coin flip. Hold up. Let's go for it. Hey! Hey, let's go. 15x on a coin flip, and here we go. Now this time, ain't nobody is getting 2x, okay? Let's cook. Let it be something big, okay? Oh my goodness, imagine getting like 100x. That would be the coolest coin flip so far. Well, let's see what are we getting, okay? Let's multiply the whole 225x on red, 60x on blue. Bye. Good luck, good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 88,433 euros.
5x, congratulations. This is like the 5th spin and the 2nd coin flip. Congratulations. That was a gorgeous sketch. Well, redemption for that 2x, I guess. 1,375 winners. This was so tense, actually. Oh my goodness, I was scared. Anyways, congratulations. Oh, do not thank me. I didn't do anything.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.